Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to set default vivid filter in iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. This setting you can receive similar kind of same features related on vivid filter. So which setting is near to vivid filter by default set? Let's check it out. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all open this setting, into the setting, camera setting, then preserve setting, and here creative control mode. You need to always enable this mode, and rest of setting related on camera I already make a video related best setting of camera. You can watch this video. You always enable this one and go back. Now open the camera. Here inside the camera, look at this, here top of the screen one arrow is showing. You just simply tap here, and after that you receive such kind of features in your mobile also. So here the gold, cool rose, natural, rose gold, standard, and then vibrant. So this is a vibrant color, and inside the vibrant you need to fix here top of the screen tone plus 20, and after that let's just simply I set here tone here 20. So here I fix tone 21, and after that I just simply capture one of the picture here. So I capture this picture, perfect, and this setting is fixed of my. If I go here and look at this is a without filter, and if I press here and then filter and then vibrant, original photo similar kind of same related on vivid filter. You can apply these tips and tricks and definitely you reach more enhanced brightness and contrast in your photos. Hope you like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.